are some book lists I'll share. I'll not go in the book list. Let me take the doubts, and these are NCERT. These will be shared with you. These book lists, basic book lists are there. These book lists will be updated. So let me stop the share and let me take the question. So what I would do, I will let me take the questions first, then I'll unmute. मैं आपको unmute करूँगा, and after that unmute, I will ask you to question things, and you can question, you can speak, and we'll take the questions. So let me take questions. There are many questions today. Okay. So let's say I'll take questions one by one. So Manjot, how to choose optional? Two broad criteria, beta. One is interest. Second is wherever guidance is available. Then Pragya, are you going to tell a strategy today? I've already taken and discussed. Then Jaya, what's his name? Jayan, right? Jayan. So Jayan, what are the parameters we need to consider while talking about difficulty level of prelims? Prelims ka difficulty level varies from year to year. There is no standard pattern parameter. But if you want to ask me, because there is no set trend and pattern of prelims, but toughness level will be considered. For example, last year questions on science and tech and agriculture were relatively tough, environment were tough. Few years ago, these areas used to be easier questions were there. So this will shift. So there are no parameters, because UPSC one year they'll make economics tough, other year they'll make polity tough. So let's focus on approach which will work for everything. So I will not skip anything. I will not give, make an approach which is lopsided. Okay. Can you share the strategy how to study from day one? Already discussed. What is the mains-based strategy? Mains-based strategy is very much clear. You have to start with main syllabus. You have to read the main syllabus. You have to do a lot of answer writing. You have to strategize, and you have to make sure that every part of the syllabus is covered. Okay. Now, let me unmute you. Okay. So I'll unmute you. Whoever has question can ask me.
Hello.
One by one. Yes, Vaibhav. Yes, beta.
Yes, sir. Sir, मैं ऑप्शनल का मुझे डाउट था. मैं ना ग्रेजुएशन बीकॉम से कर रहा हूँ. मैं एक्स सीए स्टूडेंट हूँ. मैंने एंट्रेंस वगैरह निकाली हुई है.
Okay. So go with commerce. What go with commerce if you feel.
सर, पर अब प्रॉब्लम ये आ रही कि मुझे कॉमर्स एंड अकाउंटेंसी का लेना है ऑप्शनल का, पर मुझे उसमें कोई इतना मटेरियल मुझे दिखा नहीं कि अच्छा है, और ना उसमें से रैंक आ रही है, और ना इतने अच्छे नंबर आते हैं उसके अंदर. पर मैं अच्छे से कॉमर्स के अंदर मैं अच्छा स्कोर कर सकता हूँ, क्योंकि मैं सीए स्टूडेंट हूँ, तो सीए पूरी अकाउंटेंसी में रहती है.
Let me tell you one very important fact, Vaibhav.
Yes,
it
sir.
is not about you can score very high. Subject is not important. Every subject is scoring.
Okay.
It's just that in a particular year, maybe you can say that maybe students were not so, but fewer students were there whose preparation was to the level. And if you really want to take material, there is one coaching in Rajendra Nagar whose notes you can arrange, and that is Rankers classes. Okay, they take commerce. So from there, if you can arrange the notes, but remember, you make a list of standard books. Go and look for some WordPress or some student who I follow. When I was preparing I had a friend called Ravi Dahiya. He also had commerce. He was a SRCC pass out. We are still in touch. So right now, I think he's in Agmut Katra. Last posting I don't remember. So he also had commerce, and I'm sure he must have made a blog or somewhere. So a lot of students who have cleared, unka ek blog check karo, make a basic list, list, and start from there, beta. And maybe get one reference notes from Delhi if you can manage. That is how.
तो सर मतलब कॉमर्स एंड अकाउंटेंसी में मतलब क्या स्कोर है या नहीं है? क्योंकि सर मैंने
बेटा आता है, स्कोर सब में आता है. अगर आप if you are comfortable in commerce and accountancy, go ahead with that. You can score very high. I have seen people scoring very high in commerce and accountancy. It's a myth. Maybe one few year, maybe. But remember, always you have to have your own approach. Don't follow approach of other topper, or don't copy the whole notes. Problem क्या होती है? Students they study from one coaching note, and everybody answers. सबका answer common हो जाता है. Your answer should be different. Your approach has to be different. There has to be novelty in your answers. How do your answer is distinguished from other people? That is where you have to go. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
So good evening, sir.
Yes.
Hello. Myself Narsimhan.
Yes, Narasimhan.
Yeah, I just had one clarification, sir. For
Mhm.
current affairs preparation, is the newspaper sufficient, or what are the extra value addition material for current affairs? Like, for example, PIB, PRS, or Yojana. What and all should be added, and what are those which come handy for exam?
In the beginning, current affairs are very important. Current affairs, you also should try to make notes for current affairs, because that is very important. Okay, if you can make notes for current affairs, that is something that will be there with you. Post that, once your current affair part is streamlined, let's say after 2 months you are regularly reading newspapers, what you can do, you can take one monthly magazine of any coaching. There are a lot of online coaching, and in fact because there are a lot of competition, so every material is good to an extent, the famous ones I'm saying. So you can pick any of them and just look at the list of the topics and topic that you have missed, in case, because many times you might miss a topic in the newspaper. You just follow that topic from that, and you follow your own notes. That is what I would advise you right now. After 6 months, speak to me again. Then I'll tell you about what you can follow next beyond this. Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Hello.
Okay, so let me tell you, Pratik, you can ask questions first, and then maybe other person. Pratik, you can have a
Sir,
question.
hello.
Yes,
Hello,
Pratik.
sir. Sir, how important it is to have a fallback option or plan B while preparing?
What is your age, Pratik?
So I'm 23 now, and I am working professional now,
Okay.
right now.
Can you study with job?
No, sir, I don't think so. I get a very little time in day, like 3 hours maximum.
No, I don't believe in plan B. Because plan B, because moment you have plan B, you become complacent.
Yes. Yes.
Acha, let's take in a worst situation mein kya hoga? You will give 2 years of your life and you not get selected, right? That is the worst that might happen.
Yes, sir.
So don't you think you can make your life again from zero and scratch? Because remember, I gave my attempt at age of 29. I left 28 first attempt, and I left my job at age of 28. I took a risk, but believe me, it was the best decision of my life. I reached interview in the first stage. I made some mistake. Again, I reached interview. I missed by a few marks. Again, I got an extra attempt because age increase and attempts also increase. And in our time, we had 4 attempts. I got one more attempt. In that attempt also, I reached interview. I'd already left my preparation for 2 years. 2 years I was not preparing. I was teaching students. I got one more attempt because of when 2014, elections happened. It was called Rahul Gandhi attempt, because Rahul Gandhi pushed and attempts were increased from 4 to 6.
Yeah.
So I got one more attempt, and again I reached the interview stage, and I missed by few marks again this time. I did not prepare like earlier time, but again I missed by few marks. But believe me, it was best decision of my life. So I'm just saying that when you have a plan B, you become complacent. If you think you should have a plan B, have a plan B, but work on the plan A right now. Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Hello.
Yes, Aarti.
Hello.
Aarti. Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Let's take one by one, sir.
Please,
Hello,
please,
sir.
please. I'll say the name Aarti, then Shreya.
Yes, sir.
Aarti, no, Aarti, Mohit, Shreya. These are 3 order. So Aarti, ask your question first, beta.
Yes, sir. So kindly speak about how to increase reading speed.
Aarti, I need to take a session on that. I can't tell you in 2 minutes because it's a long process. Okay. So I've already noted. I will work on that. I'll tell you how to increase your reading speed. But for increase your reading speed, few things you can follow right away. First is start reading newspapers regularly. Second is focus on the vocabulary. Try to increase your vocab part, and start following news on daily basis. Okay, DD News or Raj Sabha News, whichever one news. Not like these the shouting ones, the debate ones. Follow any one news. That is what you can do, and be very serious. Follow it very seriously, and automatically this will improve. Okay. Then maybe I'll take that.
Hello.
Yes, Mohit, ask. You can ask.
Sir, how I manage my job with my preparation?
Okay. So Mohit, how many of hours you can give on an average?
Average 3 or 4.
Average 3 or 4 hours you can give, right? So and 6 days a week or 5 days a week job?
6 days a week.
So if I say 3 hours, 3 into 6 is 18. 18 on Sunday you can give 5-6 hours. So 18 plus 5-6 means 23-24 hours. So you can start these 23-24 are on preparation, and start with NCERT and newspaper reading, and maybe after 2 months, make a target for NCERT for next 3-4 months, and then you can make a basic timetable step by step. Follow them. Once you are comfortable with these things, then you can take it to the next level. Okay. Follow the advice. Yes.
Hello,
Yes.
sir. Should I have to revise current affairs? Is it necessary or not?
Revision is as important as studying. Because
Sir,
if you
what
don't,
about the current affairs?
the same thing, beta, surveys. If you're not revising, there is no point of studying. So studying and revision will go parallel. You can't just
So
study
like,
today and don't revise.
so like I'm 18
Okay.
and
Okay. Surveys, if you are 18, for
yes,
you,
sir.
just follow the newspapers and follow NCERT for the next 6 months. Nothing much. Don't make any note, just read NCERTs. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Just hold on.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Okay. There are many people are there.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Who is this? Omkar? Yes, Omkar, you can ask.
Hello,
Then
sir.
Shreya.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Hello, sir.
Yes. Please.
Hello, sir.
Omkar, tell me.
Sir, I am studying now in mechanical engineering, first year.
Mhm.
What is your opinion about mechanical engineering as optional?
Little typical, tough, but high scoring.
The materials are easily available.
That you have to check, because you are an engineer, right? I'm not. I can't tell about mechanical engineering because it's a very unique optional. Do one thing: download UPSC paper from past 4 years, 4-5 years, and see the syllabus of mechanical engineering for the next few semesters, all 8 semesters, and try to match the syllabus with that.
Yes,
If you feel, then you can start working on it. If you feel that you're comfortable in mechanical engineering, go ahead with that.
and
But
sir,
remember,
another
yes.
question is that how to study NCERT books and do the notes.
NCERT, go to ISH channel. I made a video on how to read NCERTs. You can see there, because I would require a different session on this beta. What you can do, I'll just tell you in one line. Pick any NCERT, read it first. Go for 3 reading approach. In first reading, read like a novel. In the second reading, read it in detailed form. Highlight important ones, the keywords, and in the third reading, you can make a very short, crisp notes on NCERT. That is the 3 reading approach I would advise. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Just hold on.
Hello, sir.
Okay. Please hold on. I'll just Avdesh, just ask a question, beta. Avdesh. Then Bhumika.
Yes, sir. You were talking about the.
Sir, then.
Shreya,
sir, you
Shreya,
were
आपका भी है.
talking about-
Shreya, you can ask after this. Okay. Don't worry. I will answer everybody. Then I'll go. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Avdesh, ask me
I
beta
was
quickly.
asking the part. Yes, sir. You were telling about 3 reading approach. Sir, in that I was wanting to ask that should we take one subject and complete all the 3 readings, or should we give 1 reading to all the subjects, then second reading to all the subjects?
No, you can go chapter by chapter approach. Nothing wrong in that.
So I should give first reading to all.
Go chapter wise, finish it, then move to next chapter, finish it, then go to next chapter, finish it, like that.
So, sir, should I complete one subject and then start the other one?
You
or
can have
should I
2.
take all the
You can have 2 subjects at a time. You can study one subject one day and other subject other day. I would always write 2 subjects. For example, start with economy and polity, or start with economy or history, whichever. 2 subjects at a time. Okay.
Hello.
Yes, Shreya, you asked me. Shreya.
Sir, I just have 2 questions. The first question is how is it considering maths as an option? Because I have my educational background in mathematics. I have done my graduation in mathematics honors from Delhi University.
Okay, maths take long time to cover the syllabus in terms of following that. Because I know many of my students have maths options, so they tell me it takes 7-8 months to cover the syllabus. So do one thing. Why don't you download the syllabus of maths and see how many?
Sir, I have checked the syllabus So in my
Have-
graduation, I have almost completed 70 to 80% of the syllabus. I just have to consider the next 30%, which I think I have
So-
checked out the syllabus thoroughly.
Also see, can you solve the questions of past 5 years or not?
I have checked. Yes, I was able to do that. I was comfortable in solving the question.
Which means you are
It
back.
was
ठीक है,
the
ठीक है
questions
then.
are very familiar. The questions are very familiar. It was not new to me.
Okay, fair enough. Then you can choose the option. Nothing wrong with that. Okay, you can go ahead with that.
Hello, sir.
And the second is and
Just
second
hold
question.
on.
Hello, sir.
Hold on. Let Shreya complete. Shreya, see the second question. Yes.
Sir, what is the right approach to study newspaper? Like what thing you should study, what not? It's very difficult sometimes to process out which things you must consider and which not.
Okay. Can you do one thing, Shreya? Can you go on ISI channel, and I have made a video 2 days ago. There is a video on how to read newspapers and how to make notes. It's a video of 40 minutes.
Okay.
Just go through it because that will give you deep insight.
Sure.
Okay. Chalo.
Hello.
Hello,
Yes.
sir. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Aryan, hold on.
Hello.
Don't ask. Yes, Priya. Priya, ask me, beta.
Hello. Hello. Good evening, sir.
Priya.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Tell me.
Yes, sir. I'm from medical and hello.
Yes, beta. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm from medical and I just don't want to go with medical as an optional. I am a little bit confused between anthropology and sociology. Please guide me because as medical science success rate is so high, but even then I don't want to go with this subject.
Priya, go with anthropology. Anthropology is a better subject for you in comparison to sociology. I think you've asked this question before also. No?
Yes, sir. I
Okay,
attend
so
your session last month.
do one thing. Priya, काम करो आप. See the syllabus of anthropology and see the syllabus of sociology. Anthropology and sociology have commonalities also. Okay? But as per
Little
my
bit
understanding,
similar with each other.
yes, similar. But anthropology is closer to medical science. It is closer to biology and zoology. So where you can do justice. Okay? And syllabus is shorter than
Okay,
sociology.
sir. And it all okay, sir. And it also overlap with other GS papers, no?
Not much.
Overlapping with
Yeah,
other GS
thoda-
papers.
Little with essay, little with GS. But that is not important, beta. Don't go with overlap ke chakkar mein mat pado. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, Mohan ask.
Hello.
Then Mainak.
Hello.
Diksha, just hold on, beta. Acha, Bhumika aapka bhi hai. Beta, just hold on. Mohan, ask me quickly.
Sir, my question already chat box.
Please hold. Mohan is asking. Yes, Mohan.
Sir, already my question is chatting box, but my optional is agriculture. Optional is good or okay, sir.
There is no optional as bad optional. There is no optional as good optional. This is a myth which has been pushed by the coaching people, the students. Yes, there is definitely sometimes it happens that in some optional scores come less. But my experience says that every optional is good. You can score very high score with every optional. But you have to make subject as your own, Mohan. If you think that if you have command of the subject, you can score very high. So students should not focus on what coaching people are saying. Students should focus on where they can do justice to the process. I am a teacher who teaches public administration, so I can easily push all of you to go for public administration. But that would be wrong, right? That would be unethical. So what I say is that, did I say public administration even once? No, I have taken public administration multiple batches. The reason why I'm not saying that, because a student should decide which optional they are comfortable. We should guide them and steer them. So Mohan, any optional, even agriculture is good, but remember, there are some common optional and there are some options which are not common. Agriculture is not a very common optional for UPSC. It is common option for forest service. So if you want to go ahead with agriculture, be ready. Make sure that you have all the material guidance. UPSC previous paper is already available. So even agriculture is a good subject, but very few people take it. So as far as the guidance is concerned, you have to be mostly on the self-study. Okay.
Sir, second question is
Sir.
already chat
Hello,
box.
sir.
Just
Hello, sir. Hello.
let Mohan complete, or I'll mute everybody. Yes, please, Mohan, ask.
Sir, second question is on the chat box, sir.
Chat box. Now already there are so many questions. Okay.
Hello, sir.
आर्यन
Hello,
पूछो बेटा,
sir.
अभी तुम आर्यन 10th पास किया ना तुमने, तुम हर सेशन में रहते हो, 10th पास किया ना तुमने अभी तो,
जी सर।
अभी तो बस एनसीईआरटी करो 6 महीना, भगवान का नाम लो, एनसीईआरटी पढ़ो, उसके बाद मेरे को बात करना, एनसीईआरटी कंप्लीट होगा ना फिर मेरे से बात करना, ओके?
जी सर।
Can I place my question, sir? Hello, sir.
Okay,
Sir, can I
Bhumika,
place my question? Sir.
let Bhumika question. Yes, Bhumika, please come again. Please, beta.
Yes, sir. How to read the newspaper properly? It's like it takes too much of time to read, and sometimes you have read all the material, but then you are like that you have not understood it properly. Then
Bhumika,
how to read?
कितने time से आप preparation कर रहे हो बेटा? Since how many days?
So it's been 20 days around.
20
only.
days. And you've been following newspapers from last 20 days?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have to follow another 2 months, beta, to be comfortable with newspapers. I'll tell you a few things. Newspaper reading, what you can do is that you can look, जैसे आपने एक article पढ़ा, you read an article about international relations, let's say.
Yes.
You will not understand the article because you don't have the background of IR, okay? And that is where the problem is. So if you don't have a background of IR, it creates problem. You're not able to understand the meaning of the questions, okay? A meaning of the article. So what you have to do is that you have to understand the basic background. Let's say there is a one line written about India's foreign policy in Nehru's era. Now you don't know what was the Nehruvian foreign policy. Guys, जो लोग बात कर रहे हैं सिर्फ वो लोग unmute करें. Other people should mute them because it is creating disturbance. Somebody is coughing and all those things. Please, it's a request. Okay. So you don't know about the Nehruvian foreign policy in the period of 1950s and 60s. Now you won't understand the article because it is compared to Narendra Modi's foreign policy of current. Okay. So that is where just go and maybe wait for, or you can pick a basic IR book and just read about the Nehruvian foreign policy in just 2-3 pages, and then come back to this thing. But it will take some time because once you are studying, you have to study in parallel. Newspaper में 2-3 महीना time लगता है बेटा to get adapted to the process. Okay.
Yes. So one more question I have to ask.
Keywords.
Hello, sir.
Now. Just hold on. Bhumika has another question. Ask Bhumika quickly.
So I don't know it's an appropriate question, but I want to ask: can an average studying student can also crack it?
All the time. 80%, 75% people who crack the examination, they're average people. Okay, all the time. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Mohammad Anas and Mohammad Anas and Manak Kundu. Yes, Mohammad.
Sir, my question is, as a science student, we might have a 1 or 2 year gap after 12th class. Sir, क्या वो इफेक्ट करेगा कहीं पर भी नेगेटिव?
कोई कुछ नहीं फर्क पड़ेगा. Any gap has no meaning. Anything. UPSC has just 2 requirements. You should be thorough with you should be 21 years of age minimum and you should be graduated. That's all. Okay. That's all.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.
Hello.
Sir.
Yes.
Hello, sir. This Moina Kundu, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
This Moina Kundu, sir.
Yes.
Sir, it is necessary to start with say NCERT because there is a CAPF exam in 2021. So I started standard books. So it is necessary to start with NCERT books, sir, in UPSC IS exam also, sir.
Beta, Manak, it is too difficult for me to tell your understanding because I don't know. For that, I need to see your test scores. I need to maybe sit with you and discuss things where your preparation stands. Do you have you understood the basics or not? तो अगर ये सवाल का जवाब मुझे मिलेगा तभी मैं आपको बोलूंगा. अगर आपके पास टाइम है, read the NCERT. That is what I would advise. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir.
Okay. I will mute everybody for now, and I will take questions in the chat box. 5 minutes because there are a lot of questions are there, and I'm not able to answer. So I have to say something about NCERT. Okay. Current affair, how many months? 12 to 18 months. Answer writing, essay, everything. There is a question by Pratham. Okay, I think he's left the session. He has a question about Marathi medium. Okay, you can give with Marathi, but again, where material is will be a problem. Rinki has a question: use of map or drawing. UPSC is about innovation. You can use map, you can use flowchart, you can use mind map, diagram, everything. Then there is a question by Priya, sir, if subjects like engineering and mathematics are selected, it would be give some higher marks in optional. Well, subject like mathematics and engineering definitely takes time, but my understanding says that dono side hota hai. Either you get good score or you're out of the exam. Both works. Okay. How do I manage job by preparation? I've already answered. Okay. 1 year of 12th, I think I've already. Then optional subject for science student. There is no specific for it. Is all the subjects are there. You can choose the subject of interest. I started studying and do a week and then lose momentum. How do I do? This question is by Pratika. Yes. This is very common. Now, why are you losing momentum? You are losing momentum because maybe your motivation is not high. Maybe there's a sense of purpose for preparation is not there. So you need to ask yourself that why it is happening. You do one thing, don't study every day, take half-day break also. And tell yourself that I will take half-day break only if I study for 6.5 days. जब मैं 7th day break लूंगा, मैं तभी लूंगा so my break will be reward after preparation. And also look for innovative way of preparation. Many times you study one subject. So when you study one subject, it becomes boring. Have 2 subject approach, because if you are boring, if your subjects are getting boring, you can move from one to another subject, and that is what I would advise. Okay, look for innovative approach, because this is something that I'm in 12th. I have 3 years of any tips. Start with NCRTs and basic. Start reading newspapers and news. Then is it make plan B? Well, always stick to plan A. How to select paper writing language. Broadly, you can write in your own language, but paper will available only 2 languages, Hindi or English. Okay. Please tell me about, I'm not in the group. How do I join the group for further session? Don't worry, my team will contact you, because we have a team which will reach out to you for the feedback session. I want to choose geology in mains because I've studied MSc geology. We can go ahead with that, nothing wrong, as I mentioned. Then I have a how to keep ourselves motivated at time of inconsistency. Motivation will go up and down. As I mentioned, you need to ask yourself why are you preparing this. Also, it is very difficult. You have to find ways to motivate. For example, I used to motivate myself by telling myself that I've quit my job. The stakes are very high for the preparation, and I can't miss it. There's only this one time time opportunity, and tomorrow when I get selected, the opportunity and learning and growth and kind of job it will bring is something that will be unparalleled. Okay, Diksha. So again, everybody has their own ways of motivating themselves. Maybe I have to take a session on that, answer that. Okay, so then, sir, in prelims, the questions are coming from reports, indexes. Okay, yes. No, but you can follow them. There is a basic approach. You can make a list of organizations and you can follow backward linkage approach. I'm working for 5-6 hours. Will enough for preparation? More than sufficient. Rishi has a question. Do optional subject for medical student? Already discussed. There is no specific option for medical student. Anybody can that. Divya has a question. I want to bring 1,000, say 90 candidates. Then what will follow the approach? Stick to the process. Appraise the preparation. 3 approaches. First is basic strategy. Follow them. Answer writing. Third is evaluate your strategy. Improvise it. Improve it. Practice. Revision. Try to cover the whole syllabus holistically. And as a guide, you can reach out to me if you feel, especially for answer writing in other areas. Then I don't have more time. Okay, let me tell you something. Now there are a lot of questions. So suddenly my mind is saying that I can't answer every of them. So let me take you. How many of you are comfortable at 5:30 in the evening? Because my classes are from 6:30. So I can take 5:30 to 6:15 as question answer session. My team will contact you. Everybody will be mailed the link. We have your details. If you have put the details in registration, your mail ID, your contact number, my team will contact you. Okay. So 3 days I will take question answer session in the coming week, because I can see so many questions. There are more than 86 messages in my chat box. There are so many people who want to speak. I can't answer them right now. So I just need little cooperation from your side. Each one of you who could not get their answer cleared, इस week में 3 दिन हम मिलेंगे for 45 minutes. You come there and I will try to answer each one of them. Questions would be common, I would suppose. I'm planning to take history as optional because I have academic background. We can go ahead with that. And I feel I ultimately have to study it for interview round, but I don't have interest. Then don't choose history, beta. Don't choose history, because I have a student just 2 days ago. She called me. She had history, graduation, but she's choosing political science. 2 years ago, a student called Pratiksha Mamgel, she got selected All India rank 50. Her subject, she was from St. Stephen's. Her subject was economics, but she chose political science. Her mother was political science teacher, so she guided him. So I'm just telling you, your interest and the graduation subject not necessarily would be same. आपका graduation subject और interest अलग-अलग हो सकता है. How much time should I prepare to newspaper? Target it 1.5, 2 hour, 2 hour, 2.5 hour, and then try to reduce it to 1.5 hour at the max. I don't have time to crack exam because my father is still 6 years to present days. Like that question. I don't have more times to crack exam because my father is still 6 years to present. I'm not able to understand this question better. One more thing, guys, if you can mail the questions also. I'll reply. I reply everybody, so I'll reply the answers. And let's have Q&A session in the coming weeks, coming days. My team will contact you. And sorry for not able to answer. I'll take one more question. What about medical science? And my doctor, it's a vast syllabus. Can I anthropology? Go ahead with anthropology. Then I have a question. Many questions are there. So 10 more minutes are there. At 9, I'll close the session. So let me take some doubts one-to-one. So I've unmuted. Students who want to speak to me can speak to me quickly.
Sir?
Yes, Amandeep.
Sir, do you recommend graduation in arts?
Beta, your class 12th, you just passed?
Yeah, no, sir. I'm just having class 12th.
Okay, you can go ahead with graduation in arts. Beta, go. You can go with arts. ऐसा कुछ आपको ऐसा special कोई help नहीं मिलेगा UPSC, because UPSC and approach for graduation is different. Unless until you're getting admission in Miranda House and St. Stephen's, because their students who study in graduation, if your college is good, अगर college अच्छा है, studies are there, they ask you to put effort in a graduation subject in arts, then go ahead with that. Okay.
Sir. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Hitesh.
Hello.
Yes, beta. Hitesh. Ask me.
Sir, in this session, you said that the notes making of should be done for every topic. So, can you tell in how many pages should be every topic should be done in notes
There's
making?
no time. See, topics are small, topics are big. If topic is small, your page would be 1 page, 2 page. If topic is big, it could be 2 page, 2 page, 2.5 page, 3 page.
As from the perspective of men, we have to write approx 2 pages. So, notes
Beta,
making.
Hitesh, let me tell you. Notes will depend on the topic itself. Some topics are big. It will take time to explain. Some topics are very small. So, for example, when you are studying about a topic on national movement, it will be big. When you are studying about a small topic like communalism, so maybe 2 pages, right? So, it will depend how you see the topics. Okay.
Okay, sir. And one more question.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Sunny. Just Sunny and then Bareen. Bareen say. Yes.
सर, ये हिंदी मीडियम के लिए कौन सा ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट अच्छा रहेगा जिससे ज्यादा से ज्यादा मार्क स्कोर हो सके?
बेटा, कोई सारा ऑप्शनल अच्छा है. आप पहले लिस्ट बनाइए जो ऑप्शनल आपको लगता है कि आप उसमें जस्टिस कर सकते हो, अच्छा कर सकते हो, और उनमें से कोई एक ऑप्शन अच्छे से चूज कर लीजिए. ठीक है? सारा ऑप्शनल अच्छा है.
Thank you.
Yes, Bareen say. Ask me, beta.
Hi. So I was planning to choose my optional as psychology and management.
Okay.
I've seen the papers. Both of them seem familiar. I'm from a management background, so for me both the paper. I like psychology is like more interested towards it. Management was more like an easy go for me. I'm still confused about which to choose.
Okay, so Bareen, I'll tell you 2 things. The first is, if between psychology and management, go with psychology. That is my advice. Again, it is something that you have to decide. And go with one more subject. Just go through the syllabus of one more subject, that is public administration. Why I'm telling you? Because in public administration borrows heavily from management. Okay. So almost the paper one, almost 70% would be from management. So just see the syllabus of public administration also. Just see it when you decide which one. But among psychology and management, I would say go with psychology. It is a better option. Because I've seen my friends, many of my students not doing so well in management. Not because I feel management is not a good subject, but I feel many a times that maybe approach was lacking, maybe material or guidance is also not available. So you will face some problem in management.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
Good evening, sir. Diksha here.
Yes, Diksha, ask me better.
Yeah, sir, I have recently completed my graduation in IT. So is there any preferable optional subject for IT?
No, computer science to hai nahi. Okay.
Yeah.
So you have to, there are two broad optional subjects. One is social science, another is science subjects. So naturally, I would advise you to go with social science subject. That is recommended.
Okay, sir. And sir, for that newspaper revision, we have to revise that newspaper, means एक महीने का newspaper उसी month में revise करना है या फिर 2-3 महीने के बाद फिर वही current affairs को revise करना है?
बेटा देखो, पहली बात तो न्यूज़पेपर का नोट्स बनाना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से, ठीक है? क्योंकि न्यूज़पेपर रिवाइज कैसे करोगे? न्यूज़पेपर 20 पेज का न्यूज़पेपर, ठीक है? तो न्यूज़पेपर का शॉर्ट क्रिस्प नोट बनाओ और नोट्स का रिवीजन करो रेगुलर बेसिस पे. डोंट वेट फॉर 2 months. इनफैक्ट एवरी वीक द रिवीजन शुड बी देयर. इनफैक्ट आई वुड से कि हर अल्टरनेट डेज रिवीजन करना चाहिए, ठीक है?
ठीक है सर.
आप प्रिपरेशन का 20% टाइम रिवीजन के लिए रख दो या 15% टाइम रिवीजन के लिए रख दो, ठीक है?
ठीक है सर. थैंक यू सो मच सर. थैंक यू.
ओके बेटा.
हेलो सर.
हेलो सर.
ओके. सो मेघना, यस मेघना, और उसके बाद जो किसने बोला? रोहित इसके बाद. मेघना आस्क क्विकली बेटा.
यस सर. सर हमें जो मतलब एनसीईआरटी के नोट्स बनानी है वो क्या सिर्फ हर सब्जेक्ट के लिए हम 11th 12th का ही बनाए या फिर और भी कोई क्लास का भी नोट बनानी है सर? ये हाँ सर, पहले इसका जवाब दे दीजिए, फिर मेरा और भी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं सर.
बेटा मेरे ख्याल से आप पहले भी कई बार पूछ चुके हो. तो एनसीईआरटी का नोट्स देखिए, पहली बात तो जो एनसीईआरटी इंपॉर्टेंट है उनका बनाइए. 11th 12th इंपॉर्टेंट है तो उनका आप पहले बना सकते हो, बाकी को स्किप कर सकते हो, ठीक है? अगला सवाल पूछिए.
हाँ सर. सर ये जो सर एक टॉपिक आता है डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट, सर ये तो हम एनसीईआरटी के जियोग्राफी में भी पढ़ते हैं या फिर साइंस में भी है?
नहीं, डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट के लिए बेटा कोई बुक तो नहीं है मार्केट में. और व्हाट यू कैन डू इज दैट यू कैन डाउनलोड डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट एक्ट 2005, ठीक है? होम मिनिस्ट्री की वेबसाइट से या कहीं भी आपको मिल जाएगा डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट एक्ट 2005. वहां से पढ़िए, वहां से आपको सारा कंटेंट मिल जाएगा, ठीक है?
और सर अभी एक स्लाइड में आप दिखा रहे थे कि इश्यूज, सर हम कोई न्यूज़पेपर में अगर कोई आर्टिकल पढ़ रहे हैं तो सर इश्यूज को हम कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करें? क्योंकि सर हम तो बिगिनर है, हमको तो मतलब इश्यूज पकड़ में नहीं आ रहा है.
दो ही तरीका है इश्यूज को समझने का. पहला तो प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स को आप रेगुलर देखते रहिए तो आपको ये समझ में आएगा कि कैसे इश्यूज में क्वेश्चन आते हैं. तो पहला अप्रोच होना चाहिए सिलेबस में वो टॉपिक मेंशन होना चाहिए. लेट्स से एजुकेशन पे आर्टिकल है एंड एजुकेशन इज पार्ट ऑफ जीएस पेपर 2. Now you will understand that GS Paper 2 is a part of my education. It's part of my syllabus. So this article is important. अभी न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी में कोई आर्टिकल क्वेश्चन आता है तो you know that it's education is a part of the syllabus. So न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी जरूरी है. अभी न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी पे 5 आर्टिकल आते हैं तो आप उनको पढ़ते हो एंड देन यू डेवलप मेंटल पिक्चर, उसके शॉर्ट क्रिस्प नोट बनाते हो, उनको समराइज करते हो और बाद में वो टॉपिक रेडी हो जाता है, आपका आंसर रेडी, ठीक है?
ओके सर. और सर ये हफ्ते में जो 3 आप क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन रखने वाले वो मतलब वो हमको कैसे पता चलेगा कि सर कब होगा, क्या होगा?
जो भी लोग सेशन अटेंड किए हैं सबको मेल जाएगा, सबको कम्युनिकेट होगा और आप मेल का वेट करिएगा. कल शाम तक आपको मेल जाएगा, ठीक है? और कल मेरी टीम कॉल भी करेगी, जैसे नॉर्मली फीडबैक कॉल लेती है, सेशन अच्छा लगा नहीं लगा और क्या आप एक्सपेक्ट करते हो, तो वो माय टीम इम्प्रोवाइजर्स तो आपको कॉल करेगी. फिर एक Q&A से डाउट सेशन हम लोग रखेंगे, स्पेशली जो बिगिनर्स हैं उनके लिए, ठीक है? उसका टाइम में डेट कम्युनिकेट होगा.
सर
रोहित.
हेलो सर, नमस्कार.
यस हाँ रोहित, बताइए.
सर ये टाइम मैनेजमेंट का स्ट्रेटेजी बता सकते हैं आप कुछ?
गुड क्वेश्चन. टाइम मैनेजमेंट एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है प्रिपरेशन का. पहली बात तो आप अपने जो भी टाइम है, आप 8 आवर्स स्टडी, आप 8 घंटे सोते हो या 16 आवर्स एट डिस्पोजल, उसमें आप जो भी करते हो जस्ट ट्राई टू इवैल्यूएट दैट हाउ मच टाइम इज गिवन टू ऑल माय टास्क और फिर मेरा टाइम कितना बचता है, ठीक है? देन व्हाट यू डू, उस जो टाइम बचता है उसमें आप अपना एक स्टडी का टाइम प्रिपेयर करिए, प्लान करिए. नाउ लेट्स से व्हाट आई वुड सजेस्ट दैट if you are preparing for the examination, minimum 5-6 hours होना चाहिए. और फिर आप एक वीकली टारगेट बनाइए, अपना वीकली एक शेड्यूल बनाइए दैट नेक्स्ट 1 वीक में 5 आवर एवरी डे, 5 into 6. मान लीजिए एक दिन आप कम नहीं पढ़ते हो या कम पढ़ते हो, तो मैं लेट्स से 30-32 आवर्स का आपका एक शेड्यूल बनेगा. Then you make a small target of 32 hours. कि 32 hours में I'll study so NCERT और books material, और you can decide that 2 hours ये पढ़ेंगे, 2 hours 4 hours ऐसे पढ़ेंगे, day wise, time wise, slot wise decide कर लीजिए और फिर उसको follow करिए. टाइम टेबल जब बनाएंगे देन आपको समझ में आएगा टाइम टेबल वर्क कर रहा है नहीं कर रहा है. देन आप स्ट्रेटजाइज करिए, इम्प्रोवाइज करिए, उसको इम्प्रूव करिए. टाइम मैनेजमेंट इज, देखिए टाइम आपको निकालना पड़ेगा, टाइम किसी के पास होता नहीं है. सो यू हैव टू टेल योरसेल्फ दैट दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच कैन नॉट वेट. माय प्रिपरेशन इज द फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी. मेरी लाइफ मेरी फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी है, मेरा अच्छा जॉब और करियर मेरा फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी है, तो मेरा ये भी मेरा फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी होना चाहिए. ठीक है रोहित? तो आप
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Thank you very, sir.
Okay, last question I'll
Thank you.
take, then I'll close for a day. एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन मैं लूंगा एंड जिसका भी पहला आवाज. हाँ, आरती आपने ऑलरेडी पूछा हुआ है बेटा. गिव चांस टू समबडी एल्स. You've already asked the question. Anybody else has a question?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Vedanta. Yes, Vedanta.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have done my graduation in civil engineering.
Okay.
And I have given like several exams through civil engineering, like for APSC and all stuff like that. So I have been like going through the syllabus for quite a while now, and I know the syllabus is very vast. So, sir, choosing civil engineering as an optional, will it hamper my other preparation, the other subjects, as the syllabus is very vast?
Vedanta, first of all, civil engineering, my area, it's not my area, so it's very difficult for me to tell. But do one thing: download past 5 years civil engineering paper, download the syllabus, and go for some people who have. मुझे याद है 2 साल पहले, 2 years ago, I had 3 years ago, I had a student. I'm not able to recall his name. He got 32 rank or 31 rank. He had civil engineering. He was from IIT Delhi. He had civil engineering optional. So I'm not able to recall his name.
Is his interview there on YouTube?
मुझे पता नहीं है. I'm not sure the interview is there.
होगा शायद, मैंने देखा है.
तो आप चेक कर लीजिएगा. हाँ, वहाँ पर कोई बुक लिस्ट मटेरियल और चेक उनका स्ट्रेटजी एक बार देख लीजिएगा. Because I can't advise you on civil engineering, बेटा. Okay.
ठीक है sir.
That is it. So that is all for today. That is all for today. Thank you very much. And one more thing, sorry for जिनका मैं आंसर नहीं कर पाया, all the students could not answer because it's already 9 PM now. So thanks for all the time and effort. Some students had mailed me some questions. I will reply them. If I have not answered those questions in the class, I will reply the mail. And thanks for your time. And let's make it one time in our life where we have to crack the examination. God bless you. Take care.